Hey guys, welcome to Speir Outdoors. Today I'm going to give you a real quick tip on how to make waterproof matches. So this is going to be a fast video, but a lot of information. For this video, we're going to use tea light candles, strike on the box wooden matches, and a sandwich bag. These tea light candles have a metal base. You can pull the wax out, and that base is what we're going to use to melt the wax. Go ahead and take the wick out of it and put the wax back inside the metal base. Now I'm using an old camp stove to heat the metal base up to melt the wax. And I got 5 matches here, and these are the strike on the box matches. Now I do have a metal strainer to hold this because I don't feel like burning myself. Alright, so you're going to hold your wax over the fire until it's melted. Once your wax is all melted, you just take your match and dip it into wax. Just roll it. Let it dry and set it down. Take your next match, roll it into wax, set it down. Once you're done, I like to go back and do it again. Now that you've dipped them in the wax, they're weatherproof, and water gets on them, it'll shed the water. Then you just strike them on the box like you normally would. The wax helps it burn a little bit longer, and you can take them anywhere you want to go, and you ain't got to worry about them if they get wet. Now that you have your weatherproof matches, you can store them in your sandwich bag. That way you can stick them in anything, and if you don't have a ferro rod or a big lighter, you can use these matches and start your fire. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this real quick tip. For $2.50, you can make 300 weatherproof matches. So they burn longer, and also they're not going to get ruined if the water hits them. Hey, there's thunder in the background. Sounds like I'm going to need these weatherproof matches. Hey, thank you for watching this video for Speir Outdoors. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.